Okay, we have solving equations, another example of solving equations. We have another quadratic equation because the highest power of x is 2. But this time we have a type of a harder quadratic equation. So we have to factorize as normal, and because it's equal to 0, so we don't have to rearrange. We will factorize straight away. It's a harder quadratic equation. We've done that previously, but if you need any revision for that, there is videos further earlier in the playlist. But for that one in particular, the procedure is multiplying the 5 and the negative 6. So we multiply the coefficient of x squared with the constants, and that will give me negative 30. And then we will look for the factors that times together to give me negative 30, adds together to give me negative 7. And the two factors are negative 10 and 3. Next step is we're going to rewrite our equation using the two factors, the bigger number first. I'm just going to write the 10x properly. Okay, so 5x squared negative minus 10x plus 3x minus 6 equals 0. So I've just rewritten the middle term using the two factors. Now I'm going to do the group factorization. So I'm going to take the first two terms, the one that I've underlined, to factorize. The common factor between them is 5x. And so what's left is x minus 2. The second lot of terms, the common factor is positive 3. So that left is x minus 2 equals 0. Now, to know that after this step that you are correct, if those two brackets are equal, if there is anything different, or if they are not equal, if there is anything different signs or numbers, that's mean you've done something incorrectly previously. So please, you need to revise, maybe choosing the factors, or maybe the way you factorize the two terms. So once you've got the two brackets exactly the same, then I take the bracket as a common factor now, and whatever left, I will write it in a different bracket, which is 5x plus 3 equals 0. Now I've got two factors multiplied together give me 0, and as we discussed before, that means one of them must be equal to 0, because that's the only way you can get a 0 from a multiplication. So it's either x minus 2 equals 0, or 5x plus 3 equals 0. Now I will solve each linear equation separately. So from the first one, I get x equal to 2, and this is our first solution. From the second one, 5x, I'll take the 3 to the other side, so it's become minus 3. Then 5x, instead of multiplication, I'll do opposite, which is division, and that's why x equal negative 3 over 5. So those are my two solutions. As I discussed before, when we have a quadratic equation, we do expect to have two different solutions or one repeated solution. Okay, thank you.